Yes, you did not read that title wrong. We all use YouTube a lot, and I'm sure liked a lot of videos in the past. Now imagine earning money every time you like a YouTube video. You would probably have hundreds if not thousands of dollars. You can be a YouTuber yourself who has a problem of getting recognition, or just someone who likes YouTube content. We know having a good time while earning money is hard, so we'll help you with that. There are some websites and ways, so we'll show you all you need to earn money on YouTube. But before we do that, don't forget to like and comment for more videos like this. If you like this type of content, you can subscribe to our channel Daily Income to get a notification every time we post a video for you. Now if you did, let's learn how to make money on YouTube easily. So, we should tell you this too, there are no specific or limited direct amounts you will earn with these methods. You can earn 500, 600, or 400. It will all depend on how much you follow our guide and how much you work on liking YouTube videos. So your earnings can be more or less than us. The way these systems work is of course through advertisement sites. So no, you are not getting paid by Google to like these videos. There are multiple advertisement sites for this kind of job. So knowing which ones are a scam, and which ones are not, is extremely important. We will give you some example websites, and how to work on these websites. Let's take a website like Million Formula for example. A Million Formula is a marketing company that also provides opportunities for people to make money online. They provide YouTubers with the opportunity to increase engagement likes for their videos. This on the other hand creates the opportunity for you to earn money by watching and liking those videos. You will earn 5 cents for each and every YouTube video that you like. But of course, depending on the advertiser, this money can go up to $3. So there is a potential for these types of jobs. The more videos you watch and like, the more money you make as you get paid for each video independently. You can do this as part-time or full-time, depending on your wish. The average that you can make between $50 to $72 a day. But of course this amount is like the lowest you can get, so working a lot causes that pay to go sky high. So if you don't know how websites like this are, I'm glad you are here, because I will tell you all about them. First of all, the amount of money you can earn is limitless, just like I said. There's no limit to how much money you can make by watching and liking YouTube videos. The amount of money you earn for each YouTube video you like is not fixed. The amount depends on how much the YouTube advertiser is willing to pay for the likes. The more they are willing to pay, the more you earn. However, some websites including Million Formula might set a minimum amount that each video earns. This is to prevent you from spending all day watching and liking YouTube videos and earning little money. So of course this is really good for you. While checking websites for this kind of work, you jack it, there is a fixed amount, or everything is up to debate. The minimum amount you can earn for each YouTube video like is 5 cents. Which means that for every like you make, you can earn at least 5 cents. This is the minimum amount, but not the fixed amount. The money increases from this amount. The maximum is limitless. Even $3 per like is possible. If you earn an average of 80 cents per like and watch and like 200 videos, that means you earn $160. But if you earn the maximum amount of $3 per like, you would earn $600 after liking 200 videos. Just like we said before, it all depends on your work and the advertiser. So, we have opened our account, checked the account verification email, and our account is ready. Now we just have a page where we like a YouTube video. Every website has such a special page, so our instructions do not refer directly to any website. You just click on the videos listed there, like them, maybe you watch them for a while, and that's it. For every single YouTube video you like, these websites automatically post the money to your account. This whole process is automatic, so you do not have to worry about how many videos you have liked. The systems will show you the details of the likes you have received, and the money you have earned through likes. Keep in mind that not all video likes are worth the same amount of money. Some bring in more money than others. This depends on a number of reasons we have already talked about. So at this point, you have your account where you liked a lot of videos, made a good amount of money. We are really happy for you, but of course you should be able to take out that money from the site too. For all those making money online by liking YouTube videos, you can get paid at any time on good website. You do not have to wait for anything. As soon as you have earned enough money, you can get paid. Sites like a Million Formula, for example, does not have the policies that make you wait for money at the end of the month. All you need to do is make sure that you have earned at least $20 in your account. This is their minimal withdrawal limit. You need to be able to make a payment request. Something like a minimum withdrawal limit is mostly required, so people don't abuse these systems. After the request, their team will make a manual review of your activities on Million Formula for quality control. Soon after the review, you will receive your money through PayPal. If you want to get paid through net banking or wire transfer, make sure to update your bank details on your account. And of course, always check a website's payment methods to see if they are right for you. So that's basically the way to make money by liking YouTube videos. But of course, we would not just leave you with that. We have some tricks to show you what you should avoid doing to make sure you have a better experience. First of all, never like videos without a stop, or to better say it, indiscriminately. It's a really weird word. I know. What we mean by it is don't just go around liking every video possible as fast as possible. Doing this may alert YouTube's system to see your account as a direct account, or a shitty account that does spammy activities, like spam comments or tons of random likes. So if you don't want your account to get shadow banned or delete directly, only like videos that actually fits your taste, to be more careful about the amount of likes you put out into the system. Also, you should be careful about the website you use too. Most websites will ask you to use your normal daily account for their purposes too. This is because your daily account already has a set of recommendations in the YouTube algorithm, and it is really valuable for them. So, don't create a totally new account just from these websites, as they might affect the amount you get paid. Also, of course, don't delete your likes after getting paid, because that would just get your account deleted. And with that, you basically know all you need to know to get paid by just liking YouTube videos. So good luck, and have fun while also earning money. Before we leave, don't forget to tell us about your opinions in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Daily Income, for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Goodbye.